Good afternoon, everybody. Just going to show you a quick tip or trick, I guess, tip and trick all in one, of how I get outlines and signs straight when I'm doing them in a rush. My laser doesn't work and I hate fumbling with that thing. I found just, if I know that I have to come in like a half an inch from here and a half an inch from this side, with my outer edge of the cutout, what I do is I cut an extra few pieces of half inch, just scrap stuff that I have laying around, and then I lay it around the outer edge, a half inch, like just right tight to the edge. So now I laid my design down. I'm going to take this off. Of it later, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like when it's all done. So this is one of those street signs that I bought from a buy-in group. It's a 2-foot by 6-inch sign, and customers want that edge around it, so that's how I do it. Make it easy peasy, quick to lay down, and it's ready to go. So if you have another tip of how you do it quicker, let me know and I will do it up on a video for you.